Rachel and V. Suiso, and today I will present my critique of 5 articles on social media marketing or SMM. Using social media marketing in the digital era, a necessity or a choice. The purpose of this critique is to understand whether SMM is now a necessity for modern businesses or if it's still an optional strategy compared to the traditional marketing methods. The rise of digital technology has changed how people communicate and how companies connect with the consumers. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X allows brands to create communities, interact instantly, and reach large audience. Because consumer expectations are shifting and the competition is increasing, business now depend heavily on social media marketing. This leads to the central question of my study: is SMM essential for companies today? To answer this, I examined 5 scholarly articles published between 2022 to 2024, each focusing on different aspects of social media marketing, such as trust, engagement, emotional attachment, and repurchase intention. Overview of 5 articles. Here's a quick overview for the 5 articles I reviewed. Canom 2023 explained the basics concept of social media marketing. Gorek 2024 Social Media Marketing to Trust to Repurchase. Hu et al. 2024 Social Media Marketing examines combines with ESG branding. Fourth, Tarabay et al. 2024 focuses on influencer marketing. And fifth, Fetias et al. 2023 explores emotional attachment in luxury fashion. Together, these articles provide a wide perspective on how social media marketing works across different industries. Canem 2023. Canem's article provides conceptual foundation for SMM or social media marketing. She explains that social media marketing is interactive, cost-effective, globally accessible and highly personalized. She also points out challenges such as misinformation, privacy risks, and the fast spread of negative feedback. Its strengths: it provides a broad overview and is helpful for readers who are new to social media marketing. Weaknesses: the article has no empirical evidence. It does not analyze specific platforms to test any claims. Despite its limitation, it sets the stage for understanding the empirical studies that follow. Gorick 2024, Gokeric 2024. Sorry. The second study tests whether social media marketing influences brand trust and whether trust increases purchase intention. Using structural equation modeling, the author found that informativeness, entertainment, and interactivity in social media marketing all can contribute to trust. Strength: clear methodology with strong measurements and analysis. Weaknesses: the study was done only in one country and measures intention, not actual behavior. Still provides strong evidence that social media marketing has psychological and behavioral effects on consumers. Hu et al. 2024. The third article analyzes the social media marketing in sustainability oriented markets. It shows that when companies combine social media marketing with ESG messaging, consumer feel more emotionally and ethically connected to the brand. This connection increases their intentions to repurchase greener products. Strengths. This study is timely and aligns with the rising global focus on sustainability. Limit weaknesses. The, exam- the sample is mostly eco-conscious consumer, and the study does not distinguish between social media platforms. Despite this study extends social media marketing's research by linking to ethical consumer behavior. Tarabay et al. 2024. This article focuses on influencer marketing. This study shows that influencers build trust through authenticity and reliability. This trust, combined with engagement such as likes, comment, and shares, increases the likelihood of repurchase. Strength. Very clear explanation of how influencers shape the consumer decision. Weaknesses. It does not address fake followers, influencer scandals, or advertising saturations. Even with this limitation, it highlights the influencer marketing is a powerful form of social media marketing today. Fes Fetias et al. 2023. The final article looks at the social media marketing in luxury fashion. Luxury brands are reliably on emotional storytelling, visual aesthetics, and identity driven content. The study finds that social media marketing strengthens emotional attachments and increases a sense of belonging. Strength. It highlights symbolic and emotional dimensions of that many social media marketing studies ignore. Weaknesses. Findings apply mainly to luxury consumers. Those behavior may not represent the general population. Still, it contributes valuable insights into emotionally driven social media marketing strategies. Cross cutting themes. Across all five articles, several common themes appeared. First, brand trust is the key mechanism connecting social media marketing to loyalty and repurchase. Second, engagement build and builds stronger consumer brand relationship. And third, emotional and symbolic value plays a major role, especially in luxury and influencer content. These themes show that social media marketing affects consumer both rationally and emotionally. Share limitations. Although the study provides strong insights, they share several limitations. Heavily reliance on self-reported surveys. Second, mostly cross-section design. Third, limited to specific industries and regions. And last, lack of discussion on issues like algorithms, digital fit, digital fatigue, and authenticity. This limitation highlights the need for more diverse and long-term research. Conclusion. After reviewing all five articles, the overall conclusion is clear. Social media marketing is no longer optional, it's essential. Social media influences trust, emotional connection, loyalty, engagement, and repurchase intention across multiple industries. Brands that fail to use social media marketing effectively risk long lasting visibility, competitiveness, and consumer trust. As digital behavior continues to evolve, social media marketing will remain central part of modern marketing strategy. Thank you.